Good morning everyone. Myself Jyoti Tiwari and I am teaching you chapter Chemical Reaction and Equation of class 10 Science. In previous lecture video I have discussed the introduction of this chapter and today I am going to discuss more about chemical equation. In chemical equation I have already told you that two or more than two chemicals interact with each other to form a new chemical. So here magnesium and oxygen are interacting with each other and forming magnesium oxide, which is a new chemical. Okay, so those chemicals which are interacting with each other are called reactant. Means here magnesium and oxygen are reactant, and the chemical which is forming is called product. Okay, so this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. You have studied in the maths that left hand side should be equal to right hand side. Left hand side should be equal to right hand side. Okay, so this is left hand side. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. Although I have already told you that we can represent chemical equation with the help of symbol. Okay, so what are the symbols? So magnesium symbol is Mg, oxygen symbol is O2, and the product is forming here whose symbol is MgO. So this is the symbolized form of chemical equation. It is very easy to represent chemical equation in a short form. Okay, so it is an easy way to discuss it in the theory way. Okay, and left hand side, if you are able to see that magnesium and oxygen. Okay, here magnesium atom is 1 and oxygen atom is 2, and here magnesium atom is 1 and oxygen atom is 1. So it is equal. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Is it equal? No, because magnesium is here 1 and oxygen is here and magnesium is here 1. So magnesium is equal to magnesium. It is equal. But oxygen atom are 2 and here oxygen atom is 1. So this reaction is not equal. This reaction is not balanced. Balanced reaction is what? Balanced reaction is such type of reaction in which left hand side is equal to right hand side. Means the amount of reactant is equal to the amount of product. Okay, suppose take this example. Here zinc is reacting with sulfuric acid and forming zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. Okay, so here zinc atom are 1 and here zinc atom are 1. Hydrogen atom are 2, sulfur is 1, oxygen atom are 4, Okay, so the equation is balanced. Here the equation is balanced because left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, we can also check it by making the table. Zinc is reactant. As a reactant it has 1 atom. Okay, as a product 1. Hydrogen in reactant 2 and in product it is 2. Okay, sulfur in reactant 1. Oxygen is 4 and sulfur is here 1 and oxygen is 4. So you can see that 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 4, 4. So the reactant is equal to product. These are equal to each other. So this reaction is balanced. You can also check other reaction that it is balanced or not. For example, taking this reaction where iron is reacting with water and forming iron oxide plus H2. So please check it that this reaction is balanced or not. Fe as a reactant it has 1 and here in a product it is 3. H is as a reactant 2 and as a product 2. Oxygen is 1. As a reactant 1 and as a product 4. So is this reaction is balanced? 1 or 3? There is difference now. 2, 2. There is yes, hydrogen is equal, but oxygen atom, here is 1, here is 4. So oxygen atom are also unequal. So how to balance this reaction? First of all, to balance the reaction, we should take all the atoms in, all the reactants in a box. Okay, box. Now pick up the one atom whose number is largest. Oxygen atom number is largest. It is 4. Okay, so we have to put here oxygen atom 4 so that it can also become equal to the product. Okay, it can become equal to product. So H2O, if I put here 4 like this, so the formula of H2O become disturbed because H2O never present in this form. H2O formula is always like H2O. I have told you in homogeneous mixture. Okay, so H2O never present like this. So we have to add here for this side. Okay, this side. Now you can observe that 4O. Now oxygen become 4O. We need here 4O. But now we have balanced oxygen. Na? We have balanced oxygen. But you can observe that due to adding here 4, hydrogen atom become how much? 8. 4 2 ja 8. So we have to add in this hydrogen also 4. So that 4 2 ja 8. Now 4 2 ja 8 hydrogen atom, 4 2 ja 8 hydrogen atom. 4O, yes, O4. Now comes to the next number is Fe3. Fe3. Here iron atom are 3 and here iron atom is 1. So for balancing it, we have to add here 3 iron atom. We have to add here 3 iron atom. Now the reaction is balanced. You can see that Fe become 3 in reactant, 3 in product. Hydrogen become 4 in reactant, 4 in product. Oxygen 4O. Here it is in multiplication. Na? So 4 in reactant and 4 in product. Hydrogen, sorry, hydrogen is 8. 4 2 ja 8. Na? 4 2 ja 8 and here 4 2 ja 8. Yes. So you can balance the reaction in this way. Practice more. Thank you so much.